how to calculate the median. So without further ado, let's do this topic. What is median? Median is the middle or the central value in an ordered set. So let us consider the weight of 5 children as 36, 40, 32, 42, and 30. So how to calculate the median of this data set? So in calculating the median in a data set, we have to arrange the data from the lowest to the highest. Okay, so let us arrange this data. So the lowest is 30. We have 30, then 32, then 36, then 40, and 42. Okay, so because the dataset is odd number, the most middle number is our median. Okay, so that is our median, 36. Very easy. Okay, so next sample. So how to calculate the median of this dataset? Okay, so first step is to arrange the data from the lowest to the highest. Okay, so the lowest number is 3, then 4, then 5, 5. So there are 3, number 5. Then we have 7, then 9, then 12, next is 14, next is 16, and the last is 19. Okay, so let us count the number of observations. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 numbers of this data set. Okay, so let us count the most middle of this data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 is our median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 numbers at the lower, and then 5 numbers at the upper after 7. Okay, so our median is 7. Okay, so next data set. So let us arrange this data set from the lowest to the highest. So let us start with the lower number, which is 143. Next is 146. 46, then 150. Next 153, then 156, then 157, 157. So there are 3 157. Okay, 7, then 168. 1 138. Then the last is 172. 72. So let us count how many data values in this data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 elements of this data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the median is in between 156 and 157. So we will get the average. So our median for this data set is equals to 156 plus 157. Then we'll get the average. Okay, so 156 plus 157 is 313. 313 divided by 2, that is equals to 156. 156.5. Medyo ano na siya, ito na lang tayo sa baba. One, three, 313 over 2, that is equals to 156.5. Okay? So, yun ang median natin. Okay? Medyo mahirap lang pag malaki na number at saka medyo marami-rami. Mapapansin nyo, pag ang dataset natin ay even number, yung median natin ay i-average natin dito sa most middle na number. Pag odd number, yung pinaka gitna yung median natin. Okay, so sana meron kayong natutunan dito sa video presentation na ito. Salamat sa panonood.